Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to set your location on BeReal. So right now I'm on BeReal's discovery page, and on the top right corner you can see your profile picture, or if you don't have one you can see the first letter of your username, and we're gonna click on it. And this brings us to our BeReal memories. And then we're gonna click on the three dots in the top right corner, and that will bring us to our settings. And right on the top you can see How to Library, and that's gonna be your profile. So we're gonna click on your profile, and you have full name, username, bio, and location. We're gonna click on the location and we're gonna put America. All you have to do is save it, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!